Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be taking you on an adventure to one of the Bolivia's hidden gems, the Maragua crater. Buckle up, because getting there was an adventure in itself. According to the map, the crater is located around 30 miles west of Sucre if you drive there. But you can already tell from looking at the map that the road looks quite interesting, just like the destination itself. Our end goal is to reach the Mirador Santa Ana, which is a viewpoint on one of the edges of the crater. We started our journey from Sucre, hitting the road with excitement and a bit of apprehension. The roads to Maragua are notorious for being unmarked and very difficult to navigate, and let me tell you, they live to their reputation. Armed with just a phone navigation app and a sense of adventure, we set off, however. Driving through Bolivia's rugged terrain, I found myself constantly checking and rechecking the GPS. However, a lot of roads are simply not marked on a map, and you just have to go off of satellite pictures to judge whether it's a road or it's not. The unmarked pass had us second-guessing the route at almost every turn. At one point, we had to stop and ask a local farmer for directions, and even then it felt like we were venturing into the unknown. But this is most likely to my lack in Spanish knowledge too. One of the most surprising and delightful parts of journey to Maragua was the Bolivian dogs that followed us almost everywhere. These friendly creatures seem to come out of nowhere anywhere you stop and walking beside you as they were our guides or something. No matter how tough or remote the path was, you can always count on seeing them around, making the road feel less lonely.
It's always fun to feed some wild dogs over here. It's good. Let me get the garbage. I'm gonna get the garbage, okay? Let me grab the garbage bag.
These dogs show the friendly nature of Bolivia, reminding us that even in the most wild places, you're never really alone. The challenging drive was worth it though. As we approached the crater, the landscape transformed into a breathtaking mosaic of colors. The rolling hills and swirling rock formations look like something out of a dream.
Hola.
Okay, we are now driving through the meteor crater. It looks like this. Quite a unique terrain here, and the walls of this crater look pretty cool too. Look at these giant birds over here. So we are on one of these ridges here, and these rocks, they look like some sort of tart, a really black substance, completely different from what it was down there. Finally, we reached the crater viewpoint. Standing at the edge, we felt a sense of accomplishment, and although the journey was tough, the view was nothing short of spectacular.
That's what it looks like at one of these edges. So altitude is 3,200 meters, which is about close to 10,000 feet.
The surrounding hills, shaped by millennia of tectonic activity, made us feel like we stepped back in time. We spent the day exploring, challenging ourselves with navigation through the unmarked roads inside the crater and soaking in the natural beauty along the way. Each new path discovered added a layer of wonder to our adventure. So, if you're up for a challenge and want to experience one of the Bolivia's most stunning landscapes, I highly recommend visiting the Maragua crater. Just be prepared for a bumpy ride and make sure you have a good map and a lot of patience. Thanks for joining us on this journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more adventures. See you in the next video.